Hey everybody, I told you I'd be back. Took that zoom off the camera. I never saw zoom. You guys are just staring at one little part. And I was yakking away. Oh well, gotta take the good with the bad. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these side pieces on separate. You know, so we'll get a nice corner. I'll show you. Put some resin on this edge. We've got to be careful with our bead down there. We've got a nice perfect bead. We don't want to flatten it out. You know, when we're working our fiberglass, we don't want to mash all that stuff out of there, and then when it releases again, it'll create a void. Smooth it out with your brush, but just don't mash it. Okay, and one of these already pre-cut. I'm going to find my scissors. I have lost my big scissors, people. I can't find them nowhere. I don't know when you guys hit them. Oh, they're there. Okay. Now we're going to round this edge a little bit. It fits up in there. I took the time to cut these really straight. Okay, then I put them down into that corner stuff. We want this one going straight down. The one I lay on the bottom, I run up a little bit. So it'll be fine. Just I found this easier than trying to bend that corner, man. Glass does not like to bend corners at all. You always want to come loose. You know? I can trim this cloth down as close as you can get it. rather than flop over and pull loose from that edge. Okay, here's one layer. Here's number two. So what else is up, everybody? What are you guys working on today? How was y'all's day? Huh? But I promise, if y'all just sit tight and watch these videos, y'all will totally understand why I did two wings. Two fiberglass clothes. You know, I thought about it, I talked to Butch about it, and we think that was best. You know, this is going to be a nice jet, people. We are not playing around here. This thing is going to be serious. Serious flying jet. You know what you're thinking? Yeah, I won't believe it when we see it. Now, see them little ruffles? Okay? I'll run them up. I'll run them up, and that'll tie all of them together. You know what I mean? The two different separate pieces. And we roll this out. I'm trying to trim it before I get any resin on it, because I'm saving all these oddball pieces. And I'll use them for making other molds. Smaller pieces, flaps, ailerons, rudder, you know, all them pieces. Elevators, I'll put a lot of pieces on there. We're going to throw all this in the scrap pile. Okay, we're looking good, man. Spreader. How much time we got left? Oh, it's ticking away. Time's a ticking.